Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. My name is Sonia Nebeska and today I would like to show you how to crochet this really cute and very quick snowflake. The pattern is perfect for beginners. The pattern notes you will find in the box below this video tutorial, and a written pattern is available for free at my website. You can use any yarn. I will use light yarn and 2.5 mm crochet hook. You will need some scissors, tapestry needle, and I will do the measurement at the end of my tutorial. As always, we will start with a magic ring and then chain 1. Don't count chain 1 as a stitch. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, and let's make a double crochet. So pull yarn through 2, yarn over, pull yarn through 2, yarn over, and let's make one more double crochet. So pull yarn through 2, yarn over, pull yarn through 2. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 double crochets. 1 and 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 double crochets. So you alternate 2 double crochets and 2 chains. And you can repeat these instructions, and at the end of this round you should have 6 repetitions. So 6 times 2 double crochets and 2 chains. We will work in closed rounds, so we will close every round with a slip stitch which is placed on the top of the first stitch. So now I will close the round with a slip stitch placed on the top of the first double crochet. Okay, so here we are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So chain 2, and let's make 2 more double crochets and chain 2. Then close the round with a slip stitch, and let's move by slip stitching in chain 2 space. Okay, so 1 slip stitch to close the round, then slip stitch in the next stitch in the next double crochet, and slip stitch in chain 2 space. And the next round, round number 2, will be very easy, as we will repeat the pattern we used for the first round, only there will be groups placed in chain 2 space, 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets, and between these groups you will chain 1. So 1 double crochet and the second double crochet, then chain 2 as before, and 2 double crochets. So this is the first group, then chain 1 and place this group in each and every chain 2 space around. Here I am. This is the last chain 2 space, so place 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, then chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 more double crochets in the same chain 2 space, and then chain 1 and close the round with a slip stitch placed on the top of the first double crochet. Chain 1 and slip stitch. So easily speaking, in each chain 2 space we place a group of 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets, and we chain 1 between these groups. Then move by slip stitching into the chain 2 space, and this is going to be the last round, round number 3. Chain 1 and place a half double crochet, so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. then double crochet, so yarn over, pull yarn through 2, yarn over, pull yarn through 2, and chain 5. We will create a picot, so chain 5 and place a slip stitch in the first stitch and the first chain you created. So slip stitch, and let's place in the same chain 2 space 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, then chain 1 and make a slip stitch in chain 1 space. Slip stitch, chain 1, and let's repeat the instructions. So half double crochet in chain 2 space, double crochet in the same chain 2 space, chain 5. Let's make a picot, so slip stitch in the first chain you just created, double crochet in the same chain 2 space and half double crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch in chain 1 space, chain 1, and let's repeat this pattern. So half double crochet, picot, double crochet, half double crochet, then chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1. And this is it, my crochet friends. This is a super easy and quick pattern for very beginners, and you can create as many snowflakes as you wish. You can use them as a decoration for your Christmas tree, or you can put them together and create a really nice garland, or you can make a Christmas cards for your loved ones, or you can decorate Christmas gifts with these snowflakes. I'm just brainstorming. There are so many options how you can use this cute little snowflakes, and I would like to thank you very much, my crochet friends, for watching my video tutorials. I would like to thank you so much for your thumbs up. I'm so happy you love my video tutorials, you share them, you like them, and you comment them as well. And I'm so happy I can prepare video tutorials for you, as I really love to prepare video tutorials for you. And I would like to wish you very nice Christmas time spending with your friends, with your families, and I hope we will continue crocheting together in next year as well. So now let me show you how to finish the snowflake. I chain 1 and then you can cut the yarn with the longer tail. Okay, so leave a longer tail and you can use this tail to create a loop, a small loop on the top. So now insert the needle under the first and back loop of your first stitch. Actually it's a half double crochet at the beginning. Then go back and insert the needle in the last chain you created when you finish the third round. Okay, and insert the hook from the right side to the wrong side into the chain, and then you can very easily hide the end and you can create a small loop on the top of the snowflake, and you can use this loop to attach the snowflake on your Christmas tree. So this is it, my crochet friends. You already know how to crochet this cute little snowflake. I would like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like it, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. In case of any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can very easily put the comment in the box below this video tutorials, and I'm always happy to help. So it's Christmas time and New Year is coming soon, and I hope you will spend this nice time with your friends, with your families, with your loved ones, and I hope I will meet you next year again, and we will have really big fun crocheting together and creating many more crochet projects. So wish you happy crocheting, take care, and bye for now. Bye bye.